The expanding lineup of Ryobi One Plus 18-volt brushless tools let you work stronger and longer with the new 18-volt brushless reciprocating saw. Now with selectable orbital action, it delivers a more aggressive cut for a 60% increase in cutting speed in wood. All this power comes from the die-cast aluminum gear housing for added durability. Coupled with the Ryobi brushless motor, it uses fewer wearable parts, extending the tool's life and giving you more speed, more torque, and more durability than traditional brushed motors. With anti-vibe handle for reduced user fatigue, variable speed trigger, and stay-open blade clamp, you'll take on demo day like a pro. Work with confidence, knowing any One Plus tool works with any One Plus battery in a family of over 100 tools. Available at the Home Depot. Ryobi. Pro features, affordable prices.